Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Samukeleni guys. Now guys, I saw this poster on Mzansi Magic's Instagram page, and it was like a set of questions that they were asking Utineo and Usmelo Wuhim. And one of the questions was, who said I love you first? Now there was a number of questions about 4, 5 questions. But the first question was, who said I love you first? And then at the end, they put the answers of what the couple actually answered and said. So when it came to this question of who said I love you first, they both disagreed to their answers. So I guess Utinewa said, Smelo Wuhe said I love you first, and Usmelo Wuhe said, um, Dinewa said, I love you first, and both of them disagreed, type of thing. Like that type of thing where you're like, no, you said, I love you first. And then Omung is like, no, but I didn't say you love me first. Like that type of thing. Now, guys, when I saw this, I was just like, I really do hope this is an old thing, that this is an old set of questions. Because remember on the last episode of Samkelen, Dinewa said that she doesn't know whether her husband has bewitched her or what, that Mela Palaze, she needs to vomit or do some sort of not a ritual, but some sort of umcimbi or something like that to keep her isihiso. Because this guy, she said, this guy will do anything like he will treat her in the most hideous ways, and he continues to do stuff to her, and she just accepts it. So the level of the way she just accepts the stuff that Umelo Wuhe does to her, and mind you, she said before, ezinye izinto guys akazikhulumanga, like ezinye izinto, yes, you come and speak them out, but you don't say them in public because you're afraid of how people are going to judge you, of saying that you're still in this relationship after that. Other things we only get to hear them once couples have broken up, because a person doesn't feel as if the shame sits on them anymore because they've moved on from that person. So Utinewa said, I ushugutu lisiwe, because there's no way she would allow a guy to like treat her and do all of these things to her and still stay in a relationship. I also don't get it, you guys, because this guy, in every way, guys, you can't even pretend. You know, when you don't like someone, like you can't stand them, like, and nothing about them like causes you. That is umelo wuhle when it comes to Utineo. So she did say that she wants to leave Ugai, and that she wants to go to therapy for herself. So I'm just wondering, did all of that iphelelepi? Because I'm like, when I'm seeing these sets of questions, why are they putting these sets of questions? I'm really hoping that Utineo really did leave Umelo Guhle. I've said this before, guys, that there are men would appreciate having a woman like Utineo, a woman who wouldn't mind taking out money. I know it sounds bad, but a woman who wouldn't mind contributing towards their lifestyle. There are other women out there, guys, they refuse to use their money. They believe providing and all of that, when it comes to money, it's 100% a man's job. So that's how I'm saying, like, for Tineo to carry the financial burden of Umelo Wuhle like that, of her whole family, and for him to treat her like that, I know. And for you to accept all of that, I don't understand. Pela, if you're gonna go marry a Ben 10 guys and support him like that, there must be something you're benefiting out of it. And at a certain point in life, guys, sex can't be everything. I am sorry to say this. Sex can't be everything. Yes, I know we're different and we rank sex on different levels. But at some point, you've got to like ask yourself about the important things. What about respect? Can this person respect me? Can this person support me? Will they be there for me? Like all of those things, guys, those are daily essential tools of living with a person, not sex, guys. You don't have, oh, well, there are people who have sex every day, but I'm trying to say that it's important, but I don't think it like I don't think like it's worth marrying a person over because they couldn't pay it. I feel like there's other things that are much more important. Not much more important as per se, but other things that must be the building block besides that. I really do hope for Tineo's sake, guys, that she left this guy because I'm just like, I don't know. This guy is out to break her, to finish her. By the time if she ever leaves this marriage, she will be her self-confidence will be on the floor. Everything she'll be high and dry. Her money will be dry. Everything will be dry. So I really hope she puts herself first and chooses. I'm not an advocate for divorce, but Lana, guys. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.